Hi guys, this is Jagusheni. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a party makeup tutorial. This is the first ever makeup tutorial on my channel. So I'm someone who doesn't like wearing makeup on a daily basis. In fact, I don't like wearing a lot of makeup at all. So this kind of look, which is all about really glowy skin with a bright bold red lip, is my favorite, and hence I'll be taking inspiration from one of the looks that Alia Bhatt wore recently. So I hope you like this video. Let's get started, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you do. So for my base, I'm going to mix my favorite foundation with an illuminator. So this foundation is called MAC Face and Body. I use it in the shade C4 and the illuminator is by L'Oreal. So these are the two key products for this look. I use the MAC Face and Body on my skin and apply it with my fingers because I think it's the best to blend in that way. So this foundation does not give you a full coverage. It is very sheer actually, and it doesn't stay too long either, but I love this foundation because this gives you that really dewy, glowy look. So this is the one that I'm using here, and once that's blended, I'm just going to blend it even further with a kabuki brush, and this one is by Color Bar. So if you see a bit of difference on my skin than the previous clip, that's because I have also used a concealer under my eyes and on certain spots on my skin. However, my camera stopped shooting at that point, so I'm really sorry about that. So once all that is blended, I'm just going to move on to using a mascara. So in my reference picture, her eyes were like really bare, but the lashes were standing out. So I'm just going to apply a mascara on my eyes. Next, I'm going to use a lipstick as a blush. So this is by C Sheer. It is one of my favorite MAC lipsticks. So I love using lipsticks as blushes because I just think I get more usage out of a single product in that way. Also, this gives you a really creamy finish, so I really like that. Next, I'm going to move on to lipstick, which is the star of this look. So this one is by Smashbox, and it is their always on liquid lipstick, if I'm not wrong, and it's in the shade Boss. So this is a very bright, true blood red color, and it is a liquid lipstick that goes matte immediately after you apply it. And this is one of my favorite red lipsticks. I can like say it without any hesitation. So after the initial look is done, it's now time to add on that glow. So I'm just going to take on that illuminator which I had initially mixed with my foundation and apply it on the highest point of my cheek, on the middle of my nose, and on the top of my eyelid, and just really going to blend that illuminator really well. Once all of that illuminator is blended really well into the skin, this look will be done. And that's the makeup look done. So I'm really happy with that look because I could really manage that glowy skin, and this lipstick is probably my favorite red lipstick at the moment. So now I'll be moving on to the hairstyle. This hairstyle is totally optional. I'm just doing it because it's there in the reference picture. So I have brushed my hair really well, and now I'm going to tie it into a high ponytail. So basically in the hairstyle, she was wearing a simple bun with a few stray hairs that were peeking out when you stare straight. So I'm just going to try to achieve that. So once I have tied my hair into a ponytail, I'm just going to wrap it around, making sure that I keep some stray hairs out, and then clip all of that with a few bobby pins and U-pins, and the hairstyle will be done. So this hairstyle is really simple. I had also done an Alia Bhatt inspired hairstyle previously, which I'll link down in the video below. Make sure you check that out as well. And that's it. This makeup tutorial is complete. I hope you really liked this video because I had so much fun making it, considering that this is the first ever makeup tutorial on my channel. So if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Do comment down in the video if you did. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.